Hello everyone, I welcome you to this another tutorial. I'm a Duolingo top scorer and a certified English language instructor. I want all of you very good luck. Please subscribe my channel because I come up with some good stuff, some very helpful stuff on Duolingo, and I'm gonna help you a lot with these tutorials. So here is another picture description. Now you will notice three things immediately. First of all, a balloon not very high in the air. So yellow balloon, and on it Peel's gas is written. Now there are some mountains, dry mountains behind. There are some dry lands down there, as if someone has reaped the plants. So there is like, it looks like a dry area. Now let's start. The given picture shows a beautiful yellow gas balloon on the brown ground, which looks quite dry, as if there's no rain for many months, or somebody has harvested plants from the ground. In the background, we can see mountains in a distance, and a sky without any cloud. The weather is clear. It's a bright and sunny day, but it looks like afternoon, or either afternoon or very early morning. Some people are in the balloon and they are traveling, and the balloon is not going at a very high altitude. This is how you can do it. Now another sentence, you can say, on the balloon the word Peel's gas is written, which means that this balloon is branded and high quality. Like the extra sentence, if you have some time. So my advice is for you is, please write 3 sentences, but take care that your grammar is correct, your punctuation is correct, and please don't use very simple sentences like there is a, for example, there is a yellow balloon in the picture, full stop. No. The picture shows a yellow balloon above the harvested fields. Right? This is the kind of sentence that will bring you marks, because it has some range of vocabulary. Right? Range of vocabulary is a very important thing. And second thing, the system is grammar Nazi, which means that if you make a grammatical error, the system is not going to spare you for that. So please take care. And see ya. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.